And the interior. Well, let me just, take these doors off, and there we go. Yeah. Here's Sig, Eon, and the size subject. Yeah. Now, let me switch something out. And there we go. There we go. Good. This is a one-way armored windshield. You know, one-way viewing from the cab. That's it. So, yeah. You know, this is for like, I don't know, civilian. Yeah, this is for civilian driving right there. This is for combat driving right here. Yeah. Let me see. Oh my gosh. He's a stick shift. It's a stick shift. Oh well. So, that's it. Let me just get these back on. And for the B pillars, I wanted them to be round, but I was like, nah, square will work better. So, square B pillars and C pillars, but no A pillars. I'm a genius.